The following detail by EcoHome Insulation will display how to insulate a pitch roof with our EcoQuilt Expert multifoil insulation product. EcoQuilt Expert is a high-performing multifoil insulation product, one layer equating to 50mm of rigid insulation board. First step is to recess the first layer of EcoQuilt in between the rafters, stapling into the timbers by approximately 25mm. The benefit of recessing the first layer is that it creates an even cavity on both sides of the multifoil, allowing the product to fully expand and reflect. You can then cut your second layer with the multifoil scissors and continue the recessing process, overlapping the product by 50mm. Proceed to cut EcoQuilt Expert with our multifoil insulation scissors, and then start to install the second layer of EcoQuilt underneath the rafters. This layer is stapled as a flat, taut, continuous layer. As you can see, this creates an even cavity between the first and second layer to create the optimum thermal benefits. Same process as before, overlapping the product by 50mm. This video is displaying 2 layers of EcoQuilt being used. You can also use a single layer and gain excellent thermal benefits. So now you can see the roof is completely insulated, and you then have an optional step at the end. If you wish to plasterboard the roof, we would recommend fixing 25mm battens with our multifoil screws before your final plasterboard finish. So there you have it, a fully insulated roof with EcoQuilt Expert with significant savings on installation and cost to traditional rigid insulation board. EcoHome Insulation offers solutions for a variety of applications, including free next working day delivery to the UK mainland. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.